In this video, police stopped to help a motorist whose car stopped in the middle of the road, and it turns out to be actor Rob Schneider. On December 28, 2021, police officers in Scottsdale, Arizona, noticed a vehicle that had stopped in the middle of the road. When they investigated, they found that the driver was Rob Schneider, who was driving his wife's car when it suddenly died for no apparent reason.
Whatever, run out of juice.
Juice? No,
Jesus. All right. And what's the number from AAA?
Let's see. You can call.
To be done? As soon as we get over here, we're going to go. We got the time.
Okay, I got it.
I just have to look at it. Make sure.
Thank you. Hey guys,
Hey Rob, how's it going, buddy?
Sorry to catch you on the side of the road.
So this guy is young enough right here where he's like, who's Rob Schneider? I was like, he goes, which movie? I said, which movie hasn't he been in?
Oh man, God bless you. Let me see.
Juice or
No,
gas?
it just collapsed.
Did it?
Or just said vehicle system shut down.
Is this your vehicle or is it a rental?
It's my wife's, of course.
Okay.
He's gonna call AAA.
Okay.
But how do I copy this and paste it?
You gotta hold it down.
Yeah, just hold your
Hold
thumb
it.
on the number,
There you go.
and then you got to copy
Should.
that.
Here, how about this? I'll copy it for you and then you can
Usually when a celebrity is involved in this kind of call, so is alcohol. Schneider is having car trouble, which has to be a nice change for the officers involved.
That's where we are in the world. I can't remember 10 numbers.
It happens.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, that's the AAA number.
Yeah, so where's it
gotcha.
again? Oh, this is terrible. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Just to get a little tree to stand underneath. These people drive like loons. There was almost an accident right before those guys came over. Yeah, this is AAA. Did I not have the right? Is this?
Okay, I have a number for you.
What's
It's
AAA?
AAA Roadside Assistance. Let's see here.
She gave me that one.
Okay, 800. That should be Arizona Roadside Assistance.
Thank you for calling AAA. Are you calling from California?
No,
Okay, please tell
get
me
the hell out of there.
your phone.
What's that?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand you. I'll get someone to help you. Please hold. Welcome to AAA Roadside Assistance.
I'm telling you, best scene ever.
What's that?
I'm just saying, you and Bob Sapp,
Oh yeah,
where you beat the crap out of him. That is classic. Do you remember that movie? They're in the prison yard.
I like them in Meet the
Oh yeah.
I was supposed to climb on his back in that scene, and the stunt guy said, "If he falls on you, the movie's over." So really?
Well, the dude's like 370 pounds. It's
He's
not
a big
really.
dude. He was eating all day long to keep that muscle mass.
You know, and for as big as he is, he lost a lot of MMA fights in Japan. Just because those guys over there are so tough.
He's not a fighter, really.
Right.
He's just a huge dude.
He wasn't even the best football player when he played in the NFL either. He's kind of average.
It's hard to do all that stuff. He looked great, though. He didn't want to do the role. And I said, just do it. He said, I don't want to play a gay guy. And he said, no, come on, it's funny. I said, all right, I'll do it. This is really good, sorry.
Although he's having a frustrating experience, Schneider is polite with the officers. Many in his position get impatient quickly and can become harsh and dismissive with the people they are relying on for help. At least one of the officers is a fan, so this is probably making his day.
Is there anybody else I can call?
Who's your insurance provider? You might be able to
Here's somebody.
Thank you for calling AAA. My name's Chanel. How can I help you?
Hi, Chanel. I'm in Arizona. right after Legacy on the northbound lane, and my car broke down and it's blocking the lane. And I have 3 handsome police officers helping me out. How far away can you? How long would it take you to get out here?
We got a chance here down District 3. Got McDonald's, big bundle with Big Macs and chicken nuggets. And we got some one-stop for the ladies over in Scottsdale. One-stop. Nice. It's Christmas shopping all the way around. Yeah. Gotta take care of Pete's. You live in Scottsdale now, Rob? Whereabouts?
Well, I had a place and the contractor just
right.
And then now I've been in an Airbnb for 6 months. So we just bought another place. I couldn't even tell you where it is.
Okay.
So we're up there. Well, it's been rough.
Right.
You know, just everybody's moving here now and it's nuts. But I love it here. It's better. But it's we did a movie here called Daddy Daughter Trip. Just screened it 2 nights ago. It was fun. So we're trying to do stuff here. Not in June to September.
Right. Sometimes till November.
What's that?
Sometimes till November.
Oh, really, huh?
Yeah, because there's been times where it's been almost 100 degrees up until November.
That's rough. So they're waiting on this.
You should know that.
Yeah, we just finished a movie with Kevin James.
Oh, that guy's the king of Queens.
No.
Oh yeah, dude. He's in them all.
We're inside. He's locking the lane.
Yeah, he's a very well known.
Let's fucking watch this.
Yeah, this is hilarious. He's in them.
We have the
So in a lot of those, he's like a second fast back. Filler will do.
Personal security detail?
Of course, has that out. No, not even security detail, just like the actors.
Oh, yeah.
It's a polygon. Be the poly of
Yeah, they're here,
Yeah,
but they're, you know.
You want to talk to them?
You want to talk to them? There's an officer right here.
No, I said, sir, I have to get all the information.
Okay, all right, go ahead. What do you need? What else do you need?
Your arm here, Bubba.
Nice. Nice. For what? Nice fight.
I just gave it to you.
Nice fight where? Philippines?
All right.
Thailand?
Back. I got sliced.
Where'd it happen? Iraq.
I'm just kidding.
What happened?
I fell and sliced my arm on a metal sign at Caroline Resort when I was chasing my kids.
Ooh.
Yes, I did.
It was bad. I should have gotten stitches.
That's a
I had to get tetanus shot.
looks like you got stitches.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Did you down to the muscle?
The tractor accident.
Yes.
Is that where you guys are from?
Well, we did.
On
That's not the
Pima
reason why, but
Avenue, north of Legacy. It's in the middle
have
of
to
the
go
road,
Chick-fil-A.
blocking the lane.
I feel bad because I don't know where your card and that Starbucks card are right now, and they're floating somewhere in the. They're probably down at District 1.
You made someone's day. Where's that at? Oh, it's right here.
No, it's not. It's not. It's in beat 17. He said 94th and Thompson Peak, so that's basically Thompson Peak.
It could be a while before help arrives, but with the car dead in the middle of the road, there isn't much they can do.
Just the battery. This car malfunctioned. Stop.
Probably should have just got all city and pick it up.
Yeah.
Paid a penny,
That's true.
like in the city.
do they tow it to his
Well,
driveway?
yeah, we can go in the truck. He just has to pay for it.
How do you know?
To East Raintree Boulevard, Tesla. Yeah. On East Raintree Boulevard in Scottsdale.
You off tomorrow? Well, hopefully they don't call me on Christmas.
Okay.
I doubt they will, because people like the Christmas wedding. But it was weird because when we were trying to figure out our payroll, right?
No.
Because I was working overtime on Friday,
East Raintree.
it screwed it. I couldn't get FTO pay for tomorrow because that's considered our holiday for pay. But I was already working holiday work, but then it came up with that extra time.
They're slow as shit, but they're supposedly doing it.
You know, we could call our tow and it'll cost you a penny.
Oh yeah? Okay. You want to try that? They're not. I don't know how long this is going to be.
Our guys will be here a lot.
Okay, let's do it.
But they'll tow it to.
Yeah, East Raintree. It's a tow service.
I don't need to do that.
You know what might be my funniest movie ever?
What's
And I
that?
don't know why. It's Grandma's Boy.
Oh yeah, that was a fun one.
That was hilarious.
They just showed
Especially
up.
with like Monkey and when he's dominating those young kids in Frogger. I was just like, because that's like us. That's old school.
Yeah,
I mean, I'm
that was a fun
54, so those are the
they-
stuff we were playing in the 80s. You know, it's like
That
we're
was a
playing
fun
Frogger
time.
and Tempest and
can't
Tron and
make those movies
Defender and
anymore.
Pac-Man, Miss Pac-Man.
They won't let you make those kind of movies anymore. It's tough. Those are good times.
That actor's like, this is not calculating. He looks like he should be in Star Wars or something.
That movie's popular again with college kids. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be great. Let's use another. I don't know. These people aren't going to get here in an hour.
Yeah, I don't need to do a tow sheet because
It's just a private tow.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
We got one rolling this way.
Oh, awesome. Okay, I'll just tell this lady.
Yeah, they got a new series coming out on Paramount, 1883.
Yeah, I heard
Old
about
Western. I'm probably gonna start watching that. I've been watching. You know, we're both served in the military for a lot of years.
Oh yeah.
So I was at recon in the Marine Corps, and he's been in the Army. But I watched SEAL Team on CBS and Paramount. Yeah, it's a pretty good series. But they've gotten to that realm where they're dealing with like their personal problems too much.
Oh yeah.
You know, and so for the reality, yeah, everybody has little problems with it.
They run out of ideas after
Right,
a while.
they do. They're in season 5, and you can tell it's starting to curtail. But
This encounter is clearly making one officer's day. It is apparent from the way he speaks that he is a fan. Schneider is kind enough to have a conversation, even if it drags out the time that he has to wait to leave.
But the other one I like, and I don't know why, I love Narcos,
Oh yeah.
and then Mexican Narcos. So
Narcos Mexico, that's a great show.
Oh yeah, I watched the heck out
Last
of that.
season was better than this one, right?
Right. And then I watched with Ewan McGregor. I watched the long way up from bottom of the South America all the way up to Los Angeles
no, it is.
on those
Motorcycle?
electric motorcycles that they had.
You get murdered doing that.
Oh yeah, it's like 13,000 miles.
Wow.
It's a long ways. They were crossing passes in the Argentinian Andes that were over 16,000 feet on the roadway
Wow. On an electric motorcycle?
on an electric motorcycle.
So they have to charge it every day.
Right. And so the problem they ran into is KTM, who was supposed to be the original bike company that made these, and they said, hands up in the air, we can't do this. And Harley said, we can do this. So they spent a year, 24 hours a day for a solid year getting these bikes ready, these prototype bikes. And those Rivian trucks, that are the newest electric trucks on the market, they've been around since about 2013, 14. They produced a prototype truck to be able to be their support truck. So they basically followed them. And it shows how there were some places where they couldn't get the electricity and the bikes would break down. It was so cold they couldn't get it in. So.
Okay, so I just cancel this one.
I'm good.
Good? Yeah. All right. We're out.
Yep. Free for all city, and that's it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, no worries. Side of the road.
All right, Rob, we're going to take off. Very nice meeting you,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Nice to
You have
meet
a Merry
you. I
Christmas,
appreciate
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for coming, all right?
Yep.
All right.
All right, I appreciate it. So they'll be
Absolutely.
here at 10, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Have a good
All right.
Christmas.
You too. Thank you, sir.
You guys want to come this next week at the stand-up live or the improv? I'm going to be one of those. It's pretty fun. I just talk for an hour about stuff.
The one in Tempe?
I think so, yeah. Let me just check and see where I'm supposed to be. I find it right now. It could be stand-up live. I think it's in Tempe, yeah.
Yeah, there's one right there on like
Too bad it's not
it's like
about
University
Copper
and
Blues.
it's like
That
Scottsdale
would have
Road
been awesome.
or Rural Road and University. I think.
Let me see.
Tempe Improv.
Yeah.
It's stand-up live. You guys want to take my number, and if you guys want to come out, it's the 28th and 29th.
All right, Rob, what is it?
Yeah, if you want to come, I'll get you guys a table. It'll be fun. You just tell jokes for an hour. Stuff that you can only say in a comedy club.
Right.
You can't do on TV anymore. Yeah, it's stand-up live. It's a pretty nice club.
As a thanks, Schneider offers him tickets to one of his upcoming shows. The officers didn't have to do much to help, so it's a nice gesture on Schneider's part. Once details were arranged for the removal of Schneider's car, Schneider was allowed to leave, and the officers were left with a story to tell that, for once, didn't involve a crime.